Good morning, my dears. So today we are going to be discuss about SPL Growing Up Boys and Girls Part 2. Okay, SPL Growing Up Boys and Girls Part 2. Last class also we discussed the same lesson only. Only 3 pages we discussed. I hope you all are read that 3 pages, right? A small recap what we discussed in last class. Okay, a small recap what we discussed in last class. So we discussed about the story of Soman Island. Okay, the story of Soman Island. Okay, so in that story, particularly about 1920s. So what is the condition of Soman Island? The students not going to school. When the children started to walk, their mother leave from the home. They are going to see their work. So the children only take care of entire family. The male children up to 9 years they have to stay at home. They are doing household activity. So after 9 years they are going to learn other things like fishing, coconut planting. So like that work they are going to learn from their elders or older children. So who are called as older children means who complete the age of 9, they were called older children in that place. So female children up to 13 years they have to do their household activity. They are not allowed to go to outside. So when they are reaching teenage, that time they are going to out of the home and they are doing which activity they like, they can practice. Even they are going to fishing activity also and plantation works. Okay. So and then cooking area, who are engaged for cooking activity means particularly male only. The women's, the ladies, they gave their support for additional work only. So the main cooking activities were did by the male person only in Soman Island. Okay. So where is Soman Island located means the present day the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Soman is the island which is located in Pacific Ocean, Southern Pacific Ocean. Okay. So that we discussed, and then the condition of students. The condition of students in the area of in the state of Madhya Pradesh in the year of 1960s. Okay, in the year of 1960, what is the condition of students of Madhya Pradesh? Okay, so up to 1960, the schools were divided separately for girls and boys. Okay, when a male or female child was complete their 5th standard, after 6th standard, the school was divided into 2 parts. Okay, so separate school for boys and separate school for girls. What is the structure of girls' school means? And the school was fully covered with a massive wall. The size of ground was very small. So in that place only they have to play, and then they are not they denied for higher studies. Okay, so when they are returned back to school, they have to go straight away from their houses. But it's it is different of boys. They had a very big school and ground also very wide. Even after completing their school, they are playing in ground. Okay, so they purposely sit the corner of street and they are watching girls. That too we discussed. Okay, so this condition are not changed after 1960. Okay, so I hope you all recall these two stories what I taught last week. Okay, so today we are going to be discuss about one of the story. What is the story means? Very interesting story, a cartoon story which was given in our book, page number 47 and 48. Okay, so 2 or 3 children, they are studying at school. They had a excursion. Okay, so how we are going to field trip, like that they are their school plans to going to field trip. So the children, they inform their houses. One of the girl informed to her mother. Their teacher asked volunteers. Some parents is a volunteer come along with the student. So and she said it is not possible. I'm not ready to come to excursion. So instead of me, you can ask Harpreet auntie, Harpreet parent. Okay, Harpreet is one of the schoolmate of that girl. So you can ask, no, like that her mother said. Immediately that girl replied, yeah, she is housewife, she don't have any work, like that she said. Immediately that girl's mother get angry. How you can say that? She is a housewife only, she don't have any work, like that. How you can say like that? She asked when she take her child, her girl to that particular house, that Harpreet house, and she informed that lady Harpreet mother. She said this like you are your housewife only, you don't have any work, like that. She said like that. That lady said to Harpreet mother. Immediately that Harpreet and his sister also said, yeah, my mother is a housewife only, she don't have any work in home, like that. They also said. Immediately the two mothers laughed, and that Harpreet friend's mother, she said, she gave an idea to Harpreet mother. You take one day off, one day leave. That time only they realized the real work of that housewife. Like that she gave the idea. So the next day, that evening, Harpreet mother said to her husband and their children, tomorrow I am going to be a strike. I am not going to do any work. That time only will realize how it is difficult to maintain house, like that she said. Immediately the children and husband, oh, no problem, we will manage, these are not a very big task, like that they said, they react. Okay, it's going on, and the next day morning, when the father and the children, they started to going to school, and he want to go to office, no. So when he wake up at the time of 7:30 or 7 o'clock, he rushed up. First he forgot, the father was forgot. Oh, the time is gone. He rushed up, where is my breakfast, like that. He asked to his wife. She smiled. You just remember, I am today strike, like that she said. Then only he realized, oh, I know, I forgot, like that he said, and he rushed up their children, getting ready, like that. The same time the school bus horn also heard by the father. Immediately he said, no need to you go to school bus today, I will drop you by car, like that he said. And they are started moving from the home. That time mother asked, what about the lunch for children? Why? Because they are not prepared lunch. Okay, so when she is going to strike, that time itself she gave leave for the his domestic worker also. So what happened means, her father said, okay, no problem, today I will give money to them for getting lunch from their school canteen, like that he said. Immediately the children reply, no papa, mom gave money before itself, like that they said. So they are going to office, he is going to office, the children is going to school. Okay, so it's going on. When they are coming return back to school, even that mother not doing anything. Okay, so she is not clean the house, she is not doing anything. So when the parent they return back to school, office, he said that father said, I feel so tired, I need a cup of tea, like that he asked. Then only he realized, oh, yeah, I forgot you are in strike, like that. And he prepared tea and taking tea. After that only, the time of dinner time only, they realized, yes, it's very difficult task to clean, to maintain the house in a neat manner. It's difficult task. Like that they realize, and they are asking apology to their parent, to their mother. Okay, so this is usually happen in our house also. Okay, suppose you also, suppose your mother feel fever or any sick, she is not able to do the household work. One day suppose she is not do the house, how it will, the situation of house means which was affected cyclone, like that our houses will become. That story, what we can understand means, we are not ready to recognize the work of house. Okay, so who's are working as a who's of who's are a housewife, you are not, our society not ready to recognize the work of housewives. Okay, so what comes to our mind means whenever in house, the house wants to be maintained by the housewife people, that who is the female in that elder female in that house, only the main responsibility of maintain that house. Okay, so see here I gave some points across the world, not only India, across the world, the main responsibility of housework. What are the housework means? Caregiving. Caregiving means to maintaining children, to take care of children. Okay, whether the children wake up or whether the children get food, feeding the children and dress up the children. Suppose the children not feel well, that time for maintaining the children. So caregiving work is main responsibility of women across the world. Okay, and looking after family. Yes, looking after family means I said before, it's for cooking, washing cloth, washing vessels, cleaning the world, cleaning the house. Okay, so entire all the work for female side and all, he is responsibility of earning money only. Nowadays this change, many females they are doing small household activity, but before 10 years, and the male who are males in houses, they are not ready to do any household activity. Okay, so the women's only the main reason they have the responsibility to looking after the family. Okay, and particularly what are the work assigned for only ladies means especially to maintain children, I said before itself. Same like suppose elder person in the family. Okay, very old people, elder people, suppose they are not feel well, they are in sick means that time the work of housewife is increased. Okay, so when they are at the bed, okay, they are not able to walk themselves, they are not able to go to restroom themselves means that time the work of that housewife is increased. So that also that work also responsibility of that housewife alone. Okay, so these works are did by the women of that family. Okay, so that see, even she's work large in family, but the persons, the children or family members, they are not recognized. She is working from morning, early morning 5 to up to night 10 o'clock like that. No one is ready to recognize her work. Even in some foreign countries and all, who's are working in family, particularly who's are a housewife, they are receiving salary from their husbands or family members. Okay, even in India also we have an act yearly or monthly. The husband want to or that may want to pay a particular amount to that female of the family who take care of entire family. Okay, because of her work, she is engaged for cooking activity, cleaning or washing. So for that they have to pay. But in practical, how many of your family your father pays salary to your mother means 0%. None of them they are not pay anything to your mother. Okay, you can say no ma'am, my father gave money, my father gave card, that and all for maintaining that family alone. Okay, for purchasing rice or purchasing milk, for maintain that work, purchasing these things alone. Okay, for her work she is not received any salary. Okay, please also assume that this is sometimes some things that comes naturally to women. What our grandparents or some males are said means, gents are said means, these work allotted only for ladies. How the gents want to go to do, suppose for mopping houses and all, or washing cloth and all, the gents not ready to do. Okay, even cooking also some houses and all, for making tea also ready, gents not ready to do, prepare. Okay, maximum houses. At that time they will say how we are going to prepare this, like this work and all allotted for only ladies, like that they said. Okay, even in your suppose how many boys you are watching this video, you just think How many of you after taking milk or after taking breakfast or lunch or dinner, how many of you clean your plate or glasses? How many of you wash your cloth your own? None of you, I think so. Okay, so what means this work under only ladies only want to do, like that mentality fixed in our mind. Okay, that is wrong. That's why I said, so we have to recognize what the work was did by the housewife. Next is domestic workers. Okay, who are called as domestic workers means who help the household works. They are called as domestic workers. Nowadays in many cities and towns, many people were appointed domestic workers to help the family, because both the male and female they are going to job. That's why for doing household work they are appointing domestic workers. Maximum the domestic workers of female only, very rare only male staff are appointed as a domestic worker. Okay, so what is the work of domestic workers means they have to sweep the house, clean the house, wash the vessels and cloth, and they have to cook, they have to look after the young children or elderly persons. Okay, this and all already we discussed. Here in your book they gave the story about Malini. Okay, so Malini, she was one of the domestic workers. She shared her experience once when she started her work very earlier. She was work in a very rich family. Okay, that house was 2 or 3 stored houses. Okay, so she stayed in that house itself. Her work in kitchen. Okay, she is working in a kitchen. So she want to start her work early morning 5 o'clock. Okay, so from 5 o'clock till night 10 o'clock she had work. So when she is wake up, she started to do the breakfast activity. Okay, so what she received for what she is taking for breakfast means, in that house owner, that his employer, she gave only 2 rotis and 1 cup of tea. Okay, that roti also, that chapati. Okay, that chapati also somewhat dry. It's not sufficient for them. Okay, so for along with Malini, 2 more girls were working. So whenever they are making chapati, that girl started to beg to Malini, we need extra one, like that. So she sometimes secretly give to them extra chapati, and she also prepare for her extra one. It is not she hide it from her employer. Okay, why is they are hiding, they are doing secret this and all? They are receiving very less salary. Okay, so from morning 5 o'clock to night 10 o'clock they are working, very hard working. See, in North India and summer time and all, the water was very cold. Okay, it's not able to, they are not able to do the work in the winter season. Even that time also they had lot of work. Okay, so but for their work they are not received very good salary. That's why they are hiding something to their employer. Okay, so this like struggles they face, but she was often insulted by that employer and their family members. Okay, you just take your own experience. How many of you have domestic workers in your home? Just think, and how you treat the domestic workers. Okay, in many houses they are keeping a separate plate and glass for the domestic worker. Okay, they are not ready to give the common which they are using, that they are not ready to give their domestic workers. Why? Because they are discriminated, they are not ready to treat them as equal manner. Okay, so domestic workers work also not recognized in a right manner. Okay, that's why I said we have to recognize the work. Okay, they also they have also some dignity of their work. Okay, so we have to give give respect of them. That time only we will get a very good employees, otherwise we will lose the employees, right? Women's work and equality. So what are the stories we discussed from this lesson, from last class into this class means we discussed about many stories about Soman Island, Madhya Pradesh case, and the Harpreet and her parent, and last we discussed about Malini story. Okay, so all the stories we comes to know there is no equality, particularly gender. Okay, but in Indian Constitution the provision of constitution said equality is important. All are equal in front of law and no discrimination against gender, like that we studied first lesson itself. So our constitutions give more important. Main principle of constitution is equality. Okay, main principle of constitution is equality, but in reality there is no equality. Okay, so in reality inequality between sexual exits. Okay, so the treating, suppose you take one survey, those are working particularly for construction work or farming activity and all, the same type of work both men and women they are doing. Okay, but how much salary they are getting means the gents, that the males they receive somewhat high from the female staff. Okay, so this is often all the places we can see. Okay, in government sector alone both are receiving same salary, but in that place also many ladies they are facing some other problem. Okay, so nowadays government it's understand that it's thinking, it's understand what are the burden faced by females in houses and working places. Okay, so the government taking positive steps to remedy the situation. Okay, what are the positive steps the government take, that time only the situation will change. Okay, that's why government making many laws to protect the work of women. Okay, that's why I said before itself, in our constitution is making law, every house, the housewives, who take care of the family, they have rights to receive salary. Okay, so some women they are going to job, particularly the domestic workers, they are going to job. That time their members, their family members wants to take care of somebody. Okay, so sometimes they also had some small babies, so for maintaining that small babies the government started the Anganwadis. Okay, so in rural area and town area, city side also started Anganwadi or some crèche also. Okay, so free, they don't need to pay amount. So in that place the government give that amount, so the government maintain that crèche and Anganwadis. So the workers they when they are going to job, that time they give their children there. So that place, that workers they take care of the children, and when they return back to their work, they are taking the children from that place. Okay, so what we comes to know at the end, we are going to conclude the lesson. So what you have to fix your mind means, all the work, any work, whoever did what work, all the work have some important, okay, some dignity, whether he or she working as a collector or a domestic worker, they have some dignity of their work. Okay, so we have to give importance of their work, right? So this week you have worksheet, you have to read the entire lesson fully. So in that lesson, that entire lesson only I will ask a question. Okay, maximum question or general basic question. So you try to write the answer in your own word, right? Thank you my dears.